Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to the channel.
I had to take that other song off because it was getting me copyrighted and we can't have that. I couldn't think of another song, so this is what you get. I hope you enjoyed the video though. Subscribe.
Have you ever tried to clean your beauty blenders and those assholes just don't get clean no matter how much you fucking clean them? Well, I'm here to help. I've got the answer for you, I think. But anyway, nah, for real, let's get serious. So I seen an Instagram method on how to clean your beauty blenders, and from what I seen, it worked. But I want to try it out for myself because you know you can't trust the internet. You can't trust the internet. So we about to try out this Instagram method on how to clean your beauty blenders. Cause look at this. Y'all think it's dirty. I cleaned it, but it just don't get like clean. So we about to see if this method that I saw on Instagram works. Hopefully it does because these drive me crazy. So anyway, I have all my beauty blenders here and we are about to try this method to see if it works. I'm actually nervous because what if it doesn't work and what if it like messes up my beauty blenders? Okay, then I have to go get all new beauty blenders. Anyway, let's just try and see if it works. So they said get a container or a bowl or whatever. I was gonna use this bowl, but if it works, I want y'all to see the stuff that's in the bottom, all the dirt. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to put them all in here. Okay. So it says put. Oh, what is that? It says put some soap. Let's turn this around for y'all. It says put some soap inside the sheen. Okay, boom. It's magic, you know. Fill it up. Bing. Right. All right, boom. I'm cooking chicken later. Then it says put the beauty blenders in the soapy water. Boop, boop, boop. Oh my gosh, I hope this does not mess up my beauty blenders. Okay. Get in there, get in the water, everything in, go to the bottom. Come on now. Okay, they in there. But the magic doesn't stop there, okay? Then it says, take your water and put it in the microwave. Yeah. Wait, I just want to make sure they down up in there. One last time. Y'all seen them? Okay. Boom. Oh God. Put it in for 1 minute. See y'all in 1 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Moment of truth, guys. Whoa. Ah! First of all, burning me the up. Oh, dude, I think it actually would have worked if I would have used the bowl. Let's see something. Let's get a little spoon. Let's poke that down in there. But anyway, y'all can see it took a lot of the dirt out. Okay. Okay, anyway. Let's scoop them out now. Well, it did take out a lot of the makeup, you know, look at that. It did do a lot of that. Ooh. But back to the blenders. Okay, I think oh! Now why? Why did I do that? Tell me. Oh, it's still stuff coming out of them. So maybe I should put them in the bowl so we can take them to the sinking. Instagram may be onto something. Look at all that makeup coming out. When I cleaned them Just, you know, without doing that. Ah! Bitch. Ooh. All of that, I never seen all of that stuff like come out. So I think they're on to something. And this one was dumb dirty. I mean, they're not perfect, but ah! Why do I keep doing that? That's weird. I see a difference. I see a difference. I do. So I guess it worked. I'm trying to figure out why did I squeeze these out on my doggone counter. Really just mind-blowing the things I do. Okay. But anyway, this is the finished result. Okay. I'm gonna put a before picture if y'all don't remember how they looked in the beginning. And tell me, do y'all notice a difference? Do y'all see a difference? I do see a difference. So I guess it worked. It didn't say it was gonna bring them hoes back to brand spanking new, but y'all seen all the makeup that came out of it. And they do look cleaner to me. What do y'all think? Do y'all think they look cleaner, or do y'all just think I just wasted my time? For the most part, I think it did pretty good. Okay. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you tried this before, if you feel like it worked, feel like it didn't work. Let your girl know, shine. I think Instagram just plugged us all, you feel me, in the beauty world. So if you tried it, let me know how you felt about it. Was your beauty blenders like, ooh wee, they clean, or was they like, I don't know, but I see a difference. I do. You probably don't, but I do. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of how to clean your beauty blenders. Thanks for being here with me, okay? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more of me. And if you don't, then don't, but you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey! And until next time, stay cool. Bye, y'all.